It's a typical Wednesday morning, and Sharon Talana of Pasadena is making her breakfast. But it's not what you'd expect. Every day, Sharon must pulverize her food into a soggy mush just to be able to eat it. That's because her mouth is a disaster area.
Mr. Spencer, I don't have my teeth. Now, I have no teeth up top. I can't eat hardly any food.
The problem is Sharon is in desperate need of some serious dental work. But for the last 4 years, money's been incredibly tight. You see, 4 years ago, Sharon's husband, Tony, began suffering from severe kidney failure, was forced to leave his job as an electrician, and has spent an enormous amount of time in the hospital.
We've been in the hospital more than we've been home.
With Sharon taking care of her husband full-time and unable to work, there's just been no money to pay for Sharon's dental work.
Financially, we are dead in the water when it comes to finances. We live paycheck to paycheck, which is only Social Security disability.
Now living on just about $1,800 a month in benefits and unable to get her teeth fixed. That's when Sharon called Spencer Solves It.
Sharon, what I want you to know is that we are going to take care of you. We're going to fix your mouth.
Hello.
Oh, hi, Dr. Alani.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Now we bring Sharon to Dr. Terri Alani, one of Houston's most respected dentists. She has a special interest in cosmetic dentistry.
You can see these are broken down.
Right away, Dr. Alani determines Sharon will need oral surgery plus dentures plus partials, work that would normally cost between $8,000 and $9,000. But Dr. Alani's doing all of this absolutely free.
We can do a full upper denture and then a lower partial to replace those missing teeth in the back so the woman can finally eat.
The work will be extensive and will take weeks. Sharon is in disbelief.
This is a blessing, and I wish you all the blessings in the world. Thank you, Mr. Spencer. You're wonderful.
Hey, I'll tell you who's wonderful and brilliant and compassionate, and that is Dr. Terri Alani. She's agreed to do all of this work and provide all of the materials for free because she knows this is literally going to change Sharon's life, and it certainly will. For all you are doing here, Terri, I say thank you and God bless you. You are truly an angel.
Oh, she is.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see that smile.
Yeah, it's going to be a little bit of time, a lot of work.
Sure, but I know you'll keep
You'll
it.
follow
We're going to bring it to you when it happens, and she's going to be blown away. So will you.
Oh,
right.
well, you, Terri, and your whole brigade are awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bill. And you at 6 o'clock today, a big